All right, welcome to this video walkthrough of this awesome Beacon Hill one bed. All right, so this is the living room, and we have a nice faux fireplace, nice little feature to have. And probably the best feature that the apartment has itself are these views. Of course, it's a gorgeous Boston day. You got the State House, you could practically touch it right there. So awesome views of Boston. You can see the Boston Common. The park is right down there. And see the Prudential. You got this fire escape right here. If you want to put some like pots, some plants. So really, again, amazing views. You have your kitchen, very simple, basic. Sorry, excuse my my helmet and my sweater there. Electric stove, fridge, sink. You got cabinets below, cabinets up top. All right, and you have the hardwood floors throughout. Closet right here. As soon as you enter the door, some closet space to hang your coats. The bathroom. All right. You have a sink, a little vanity right there, shower and tub. All right. Okay. Back into the foyer, where you'll find like a little linen closet. And into the bedroom, more hardwood floors. Oh, this is kind of a nice feature that I didn't catch myself before, but that's a pretty large windowsill where you can like even put some pillows there, use it as like a little nook to sit down. More awesome views. Window, you got your radiator, and you got the closet over here, which actually has some shelves built in, which you have the option of taking out. It's not a big deal, but it's a good size closet right there. And just a reminder, the heat and hot water are included, so you don't have to worry about that. There's laundry, coin operated laundry in the basement, shared. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. Also maybe to note, there's plenty of outlets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hope you enjoyed our video walkthrough, and contact me if you need any more info. Bye.